Hey there, history buffs. Ever wondered why Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States? Put on your adventure hats as we dive into the intriguing tale of how this city came to be the heart of America. Our story starts in the 1780s, after the American Revolution. The young United States was buzzing with excitement and challenges. One big question was, where should the new nation's capital be? The Founding Fathers knew they needed a place that represented unity, not favoring any state. New York City had been the temporary capital, but they wanted something new, something that would symbolize the country's fresh start. So, they decided on a completely new site. Enter President George Washington, a key player in this story. He selected a location along the Potomac River, nestled between the northern and southern states. It was a place of potential, ripe for the creation of a grand new city. But choosing the spot was just the beginning. They needed to design a city that would be both functional and magnificent. This is where Pierre L'Enfant, a French architect with a grand vision, stepped in. He was hired to design the city. L'Enfant imagined a city with wide, sweeping avenues and grand public spaces. He wanted it to reflect the ideals of democracy and elegance. His plans included a central area for government buildings, with wide streets radiating out like the spokes of a wheel. L'Enfant's vision was truly ambitious, but not everything went smoothly. L'Enfant had disagreements with city officials and was eventually dismissed. The project faced delays and changes. However, his original design continued to influence the city's development. Even with these challenges, the city began to take shape. The Capitol building and the White House became the iconic symbols of the American government. On July 16, 1790, the U.S. Congress officially established Washington, D.C. as the nation's capital. The city was slowly built up, with its grand architecture and symbolic streets, embodying the spirit of the new nation. Washington, D.C. became more than just a location. It was a testament to the country's ideals and a symbol of its unity. So, the next time you think about Washington, D.C., remember the visionary designs, the political decisions, and the dedication that shaped this city into the capital of the United States. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. Stay curious and keep exploring. Hit that subscribe button for more amazing stories from history.